Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the problem Windows could not automatically detect this network proxy setting in Windows 7, 8 or 10. So there are two methods to fix this. Let's see the method number one. Just go to the search bar and type control panel. Yeah, just click on the search result control panel and now just make the view by as large icons. Now click on internet options and now just go to the advanced tab. Now click on this button, restore advanced settings. After this, just click on the apply button and now just go to the fifth tab, that is the connections tab, and just click on the LAN settings button. Now just check this automatically detect settings. Make sure that it is checked in your system and also make sure that these two options are unchecked. Use automatic configuration script and this proxy server one. This should be unchecked, both of these. After this, just click on the OK button and close this. So this was method number one. Now the method number two is just go to the search bar and type CMD. Now just right click over this search result command prompt and click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. Now just copy this command and paste it over here. After this, just hit enter and now just copy another command and paste it over here and just hit enter. Now just type exit and hit enter. I will give both these commands in the video description. You can copy it from there. After this, just restart your system and your issue will be fixed. So these were the two methods that you can try out to fix the issue. Windows could not automatically detect this network proxy settings in Windows 7, 8 or 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.